Hi everybody, I am so excited to tell you about our brand new 21-day Vegan Kickstart app. It's for your iPhone, it's for your iPad, it's for your Android. You know what? It's really for your health. You know you have been wanting to jump into a vegan diet for a while, or maybe you're already vegan but you want to tune it up. We've got everything you need. We've got menus, recipes, all kinds of videos from our cooking instructors. The pictures are gorgeous. You're going to absolutely love it. Best of all, it's free. And you know what you really get? You get an opportunity to try out new foods, new recipes, new products. We'll give you new facts that you can share with other people. And in 21 days, two things can happen. Number one, physically, you can get healthier. You're starting to lose weight. If you've got diabetes, your blood sugar is getting better, your energy is improving, your digestion is finally sorting itself out. But beyond the physical changes, you also discover your tastes are starting to change because you're learning new, wonderful, healthy tastes. Go get them. You're going to love it.